Hello everyone. So for today's video, we will continue talking about how to gain more bookings. So for the newly hired teachers out there waiting for their first ever class, don't worry po kung wala pa po tayong mga bookings, magkaka-bookings rin po tayo. So if ever you have seen this one in your shift management, then that means na mayroon na kayong student. So ano yung mga dapat ninyong gawin? Of course, you have to enter AC para makapag-prepare na po kayo, makabasa kayo ng material, and then you have to prepare your teaching aids and then rewards. Practice the mastery of the lesson para naman you can gain the attention and the trust of the student and the parent. That's one secret of having more bookings. Kasi yung mga first how many students ninyo teacher, dapat na talaga nakuha nyo yung attention and then yung tiwala ng student para na babalik at babalik na sila sa inyo. And as I have said in my previous video, if the student and the parent like your class, of course, they will add you to their collection of favorites. Magpi-favorite sila at saka magbibigay sila ng good feedback. So make sure that your class is fun, meaningful, and engaging talaga sa student. And why should I mention about the parent? Of course, kahit hindi natin sila nakikita sa camera, nandyan lang sila sa tabi-tabi. Nakikinig sila while his or her child is doing the online class. Okay, so let us always make every second and minute of the learning experience of the child really meaningful and engaging. That's one secret para na rumami po yung ating mga bookings. Kasi yung first, how many students po natin, dapat good impression po talaga tayo sa kanila. Kasi if that particular parent or student likes your class, of course, they will look at your schedule. Tapos, they will book many slots of yours already. As I have said, they will keep on booking your classes. Tapos, if the student happen to add you as one of their favorites, so the moment na mag-open po kayo ng slot, talagang magno-notify yun sa kanilang app because they also have their application. Let's say, for example, Teacher Maria opened slots on this said time. If they happen to see that one, kasi nag-notify yun sa kanila, they will book your classes kung fit naman sa kanilang schedule. Again, yun yung one secret. Kasi as newbies, yung mga bago pa sa platform, you're still gaining. You're still a newly open. Kung sa tindahan pa, bago pa lang kayo nagbukas, syempre hindi yun agad-agad na maraming customers. So you have to set up your name. You have to set up your quality as a teacher para naman na makuha mo yung mga customers mo. So if that is a store, diba? So you have to compete with the tenured teachers at saka syempre yung mga dati na dito sa platform. Kasi bago ka pa lang, you have to be patiently waiting for your students and make sure na yung first ever class mo talagang the best among the rest, striking talaga sa student and parents. Para sa mga hindi pa nagkaka-bookings, don't worry, keep on training yourselves. We have free trainings in our My page para naman we will gain more learning experiences on how to deal with the different kinds of students in the platform. Okay, so I guess that would be all for today. If you have some questions, don't hesitate to drop down your query in the comment section. And of course, for those who want to be one of my referrals, then message me here in TikTok or in the comment section below or in my messenger account po para naman ma-assist ko kayo in your application process. That would be all. Thank you so much and God bless.